atoms contained small but heavy particles in their nuclei. The hydrogen had protons, and the helium had neutrons as well. They both had a skittering veil of electrons in orbit around them. The atoms in the interior of the cloud moved ever faster as gravity pulled them ever closer together, until the whole thing collapsed in on itself. This collapse raised the temperature so high that the cloud became a natural fusion reactor. In other words, a star. Atoms operating according to the laws of physics met and fused in the unbroken darkness. And then there was light. In this froth of elementary particles, the nucleus of one of the atoms, a helium atom, was formed. After billions of years, the star is now elderly, having converted all of its available hydrogen fuel into helium. Now that it's time for the star to die, it resumes the turning inward of its infancy. Can you find our helium atom? It joined with two others to become one of our heroes, a carbon atom. That's what happens in the hearts of stars. Soon, our carbon atom will tumble out of this red giant star into the interstellar ocean of space. We've tinted this atom blue so you can find it in the vastness. Meanwhile, in another part of the galaxy, similar processes were unfolding as stars were born and died. The other atom of our tale was formed in the heart of this dying star. In the catastrophic process of going supernova, 226 protons and neutrons became fused to a carbon atom, turning it into a uranium atom. We've tinted our other hero atom red so that you can follow it on its odyssey through space and time. As chance would have it, after wandering the vast Milky Way galaxy, our two atoms both happened on the fiery birth of a small solar system. Ours. Our carbon atom has traveled far to become part of a small planet. After billions of years, it joined an extremely complex molecule, which has the peculiar property of making virtually identical copies of itself. The carbon atom plays its tiny role in the origin of life. Through all its incarnations, our carbon atom has had no self-awareness, no free will. It is merely an extremely minor cog in some vast cosmic machinery working in accord with the laws of nature. And that other atom, the uranium atom made in the supernova, what has become of it? Our world was born in fire, and this tiny atom was drawn to it. Maybe it rode the explosive wave of a supernova, or perhaps it was attracted by the gravity of our sun and pulled down deeper and deeper into the interior, which was even more of a hell. The Earth's surface soon cooled, but the interior remained molten. The magma slowly circulated, and our uranium atom found itself carried over the ages from the deep interior back all the way up to the surface. Despite the high temperatures and pressures deep within the Earth, our atom's integrity was never threatened. Atoms are small, old, hard, and durable.